The White House says businesses with 100 or more workers must be vaccinated or tested weekly by January 4th. Here in North Carolina, the rules could extend to teachers and other government employees.
It has to do with how our state's Labor Department works. It gets to set the final plan. And the clock is ticking to get it done. In the end, it'll affect private businesses, teachers, city workers, and more. WFMY News 2's Grace Holland is digging deeper tonight.
When it comes to workplace safety, there are two types of states to consider. Some follow the feds, others have their own plan. North Carolina is one of those. We run our own show here. That means we don't have to immediately follow today's federal mandate. Our Labor Department can make some tweaks, but whatever the final plan is, it applies to private businesses, workers, and to public schools. North Carolina Labor Commissioner Josh Dobson has 15 days to come up with our state's plan for 1.2 million workers. But there are limits to what he can do.
It's not like I have full discretion to either implement that for North Carolina or not. I want to get to yes, but this is the wrong approach. And it's unfortunate that North Carolina is in this situation.
Dobson says he doesn't want a vaccine mandate.
It's a really, really bad idea from the Biden administration.
He'd rather use a combination of other protocols.
Temperature checks at the door before an individual entered a facility. Hand washing stations. If someone tests positive, quarantining policies.
But he can't just say no. The state plan has to be, quote, at least as effective as the federal requirements.
If I just simply refuse without trying to find a path forward that works for North Carolina, the federal government would come in and they would have the authority.
Dobson also worries about the cost and enforcement.
Did not give us the resources to do it. And we have roughly 110 compliance officers that cover our state. And that's unfair to ask that of them.
Many employers, including school districts, will have to wait and see what happens. But if Dobson adopts the federal policy as is, employers would need to have their policies in place by January 4th.